Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I am Dr. Nandita Mohan. Here is what I bring to you all from the world of medicine. New study reveals link between obesity and increased risk of heart failure. A recent study led by Johns Hopkins Medicine researchers and also published in the journal Nature Cardiovascular Research revealed that the impact of obesity on muscle structure in patients having a form of heart failure called the heart failure with a preserved ejection fraction. Over half of patients with heart failure have a preserved ejection fraction, which is a syndrome with substantial morbidity or even mortality and few effective therapies. Its dominant comorbidity is now obesity, which worsens the disease and also its prognosis. Myocardial data from patients with morbid obesity and heart failure with a preserved ejection fraction showed depressed myocyte calcium stimulated tension and disrupted gene expression of mitochondrial and lipid metabolic pathway abnormalities shared by humans heart failures with a reduced ejection fraction, but less so in heart failure with a preserved ejection fraction without severe obesity.
Are you also aspiring to excel in medical journalism and delve into the intricacies of health and medical reporting? Explore our comprehensive course on medical and health journalism available at the Medical Dialogues Academy. Learn from industry experts who possesses in-depth knowledge and experience in this field. For further details, scan the QR code provided or access the link in the description box below.
The impact of severe obesity on human heart failure with a preserved ejection fraction myocardial ultrastructure remains still unexplored. So here the researchers assess the myocardial ultrastructure in septal biopsies from patients with heart failure with a preserved ejection fraction using transmission electron microscopy. They observed sarcomere disruption and sarcolysis, mitochondrial swelling with cristae separation and dissolution, and lipid droplet accumulation that was more prominent in the most obese patients with heart failure with a preserved ejection fraction and not dependent on comorbid diabetes. Therefore, myocardial proteomics revealed associated reduction in fatty acid uptake, processing, and also oxidation and mitochondrial respiration proteins, particularly in very obese patients with heart failure with a preserved ejection fraction. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.